Well, my name is Rewels, an architect. I'm very happy to be in Chennai and to see the changes during the last 10 years. So our major problem is our cities a rapid transformation caused by two things. One, by large number of people coming to the cities, and also because we are becoming much more affluent. So we have many more cars, we have many more, we require many more facilities. So these two twin problems, rising expectations of the people who are living in a city and the rising number of people who are coming from outside, how to accommodate it in a very short period is the challenge to the people who govern the cities, to the architects and urbanists. So my advice to the people who are governing our cities is to please put the architects and urbanists in a position of power so they can tackle these problems in a very professional manner. So far, the situation is like this, that let's say, the governance, the people may be very astute politicians, they may be very good administrators in many respects, but the problems of urban governance needs to be done by urbanists, town planners and architects. So please give them the chance.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And
I'm Jimmy Lim, architect from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. Yes?
yeah, we welcome, sir. You can continue.
Thank you.
You can tell them the purpose and all the things.
Well, I'm here to give a talk, and my talk is going to be, are Asians capable to become leaders in the global context after the COVID-19? Because with the COVID-19, it's a reset on the world, because the world was put asleep for 2 years by forces beyond our control. So what has architects got to do with COVID-19? Architects, in a way, together with the building industry, can play a small role. And I think it's very important that Asians show that we can be global leaders. And India, from what I see, this trip seemed to have awakened. And I think there's a lot of energy and a lot of intelligent people. It's a question of harnessing all the intelligent people together, think together and network across Asia. I think by doing that, we can start to get the Asians to be global leaders. Because the Singapore former foreign minister and permanent representative in the UN, Mr. Kishore Mahbubani, have said, can Asians be global leaders? And I think that's a challenge is thrown to us all Asians, and especially to India, since Kishore is an Indian in origin.
Yeah, thank you. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.